Hello, my name is Kini and I am an intern as a data scientist and business analytics at Sparks Foundations. So this is the second task of the internship. So the task is prediction using unsupervised machine learning. In this task, we are going to predict the optimum number of cluster from a given iris dataset and represent it visually. This includes unsupervised learning. So we will start the project by importing all the necessary required libraries. So we will use NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn, Matplotlib, sklearn to import the dataset. Don't worry, we will use the dataset which is given by our internship program. So first in this step, we are the fetching the data from iris.csv and we'll store it in the data variables. We will print the data.head which prints the top 5 rows of the data. Now data.tail which prints the last 5 rows of the data. Then to check is there any null variable in the data, we will use .isAny function. It will print if there any null value present in the data. In this data, it doesn't have any null values, so we can proceed further. Describe functions give a statistical information of the data. Now here we will use n unique function which will print the unique values present in the column. We have used a species column here. Value count function prints the unique values in the column as well as the number of unique values in the column. We will move forward. As the second step, we have data visualization. So we will use a Seaborn library here. So we will use a Strix plot here. As well as we have also used a box plot for sepal width and species. Same for petal width, then petal length. Here we have used a count plot to here we have used count plot to print the number of values present in the data of different values. Then we have also generated a heat map of the data to find the optimum number of cluster using k-mean clustering. First of all, we will separate data in independent and dependent columns. Then we will use sklearn.cluster and import k-means. Then we will use a read iteration function and iterate to k-mean function. Then we will fit the data of our independent variable. After the iteration completes, it will all the values stored in WCSS WCSS array. Then we will plot this using a plot function. As you can see, as you can see from the elbow method, we have to choose optimum number of cluster. I can see here 3 will be the optimum number of cluster. So we will choose a 3. Now to initialize the k-mean with optimum number of cluster, we will use k-mean function with n cluster is equal to 3 and we will fit our data and predict the trained data and we will store it in yk-means. As you can see, the predicted value are as displayed on the displayed on the output row. To visualize the cluster, we will use a scatter plot from matplotlib library. As you can see, we have successfully converted data into 3 separate cluster. The red one is Iris setosa, blue one is Iris versicolor. Green one is Iris virginica. And the red and the yellow dot present over here are the centroids of the cluster. Thanks for watching this video. Please, if you like this video, give your s- valuable suggestion and comment to the video. Also, do not forget to check my task 1 of this internship. Thank you.